Moose, I got some news for you.
Oh, boy.
What if I told you you could win $500 by just simply launching a Spreadshop by November 23rd?
I would say I've heard something about this, but what's it all about?
Well, I'm glad you asked. Launching a shop here in November is part of our Shop Launch Challenge. And our Shop Launch Challenge... I'm
going to draw this. I'm going to draw.
These seem so forced.
I'm going to draw little cartoons of us actually doing this so that we can put the audio over it.
I love that. That was great. Just like back and forth, like reaction and everything.
When you go, I think the most important part is to get shoplaunchchallenge.com and the prize.
That's what I want. That's what I was like. I was trying to think. Was it Shop Launch Challenge?
Shoplaunchchallenge.com.
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 Get blasted.